Hi everyone, welcome back to my lesson. So today we will be learning a phrase to describe people. Are you ready? Here I go. My friend is a little moody. My friend is a little moody. Got it? You can either repeat it, write it down on a piece of paper, or in your notebook. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, so the phrase we're focusing on today is my friend is a little moody. Moody is a word we use to describe people who often change their mood. They might be happy one moment and sad or angry or irritated the next. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have some friends like that. I haven't contacted them in a while, so I guess I'm in the clear. I'm all right. And so, do you have any friends or family members who are a little moody? It's going to be very difficult to write that in the comment section, but if you don't mind, please do. Please share about your moody friend. Don't tell me his name, okay? That's going to be a little weird. Okay, now let's do pronunciation. So please try to link all the words, like I always say. Okay, here we go. My friend is a little moody. My friend is a little moody. Okay, so of course you can change the word friend to boss, sister, grandfather, whatever. And please share. I don't know if you should share that in the comment section, but if you'd like, please do. Otherwise, just hit the like button or the heart button, whatever. Okay, so thank you very much for watching today's lesson. And moody is a word you might see once in a while in movies, dramas, whatever. And but don't tell that person specifically. You know, don't say you are moody, because I don't know. I guess it depends on the relationship. Yeah, but I would not be happy if someone told me I was moody. So don't say to that person. Okay. Okay. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English lessons from me. And I will see you again. Bye.